FX 25th 2nd 2023 5:04 PM. And if you want to know what I'm doing, you can see that in the background there, that new cabinet of drawers. Well, this is the back of it, which needs to be cleaned by hand, which means I'm scraping all off the dirt and the old varnish. And got to try and put this all back together once I do that. If I'm successful, I will reattach it to the rear. Actually I won't. What I will do, because the rest of it has to come apart and put back together, hopefully there's not nails everywhere, because some of the old cabinet builders used to do that, put nails everywhere instead of screws, and sometimes hidden, but usually in the corners of the frame, not anywhere else usually. But we'll see how we go. There's a quote, I mean, I've got the frame here for it. So there's the frame. Well, I've got the top, middle and the bottom frame pieces, which is these bits here and that bit there, and the laminate that goes on in between, which has to be all glued back together because there's a solid piece of wood in the middle, about 1.5 mil thick, I think. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. So thanks for watching. Hey folks, update. It's only 59 past 5 PM, 25th of the 2nd, 2023. What's the update? Wrong side. I'm just removing the old glue. My phone will focus. See that yellow? It's confirmed. It's protein glue, which means this is over 60 years old, maybe more, simply because of that. And so far, see how clean that is compared to that, which is mostly just dirt on this side as well as that. So I'm removing the old glue, cleaning it up, scraping it all off by hand. It's the best way to do it, in my opinion. I generally don't use sanders or sandpaper for this type of stuff. You can see those 3 bits over there I've already done, which is the middle, top and bottom frame parts. I think this is the middle part here. And this is called a AWL tool, AWL. Means it's for punching through something such as leather. So it's basically a leather tool that I've revarnished and oiled the handle, cleaned up the blade, and I'm using it as a scraper. Probably started its life off as an old file and someone's turned it into that. Wouldn't be surprised, because it rusts quite easily. So, alright, thanks.